Instructions. Who should be assigned crane? Crane, transform! Woohoo! Super truck team, let's set off! Full speed ahead! Go, go, go! Change a hard drill bit. Let's start tearing down the house. Next, we're going to shovel the gravel. I need to change a bucket. Remove the stones to make room for building. This is the dump truck of our fleet. It can carry the broken stones and waste away.
Concrete mixer. My task is to make concrete. The roof needs to be cast with concrete. Now let's start making concrete. Hopper first. Gravel. Sand. Cement. Water. The concrete is well mixed. Connect the pipes and get ready to pour concrete on the roof.
The crane, and I can lift heavy goods. Choose a tile and paste it onto the villa. Next, let's install the door and windows of the villa. Excavator, and I will complete the task of building the swimming pool. Let's dig a big pit first. the tiles and paste them onto the swimming pool. Turn the handle to fill the swimming pool with water. Let's start decorating the swimming pool. The swimming pool is completed.